Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, or the special video as I told you guys in my last video, is finally here. I know y'all have been waiting for this video and it's finally here. So you might be wondering, what is this special video? So in this video I am going to make a doll room. I have never made a doll room video in my channel before, so this is going to be special. So let's begin. So for the doll room, we are going to start by making the bed. So guys, for the bedding of the room, I'm going to use this sponge and a jeans cloth like this, and I'm going to hot glue the jean cloth on the sponge. You guys saw we made the bed using this sponge, and I used some needle and thread to make some more detail in it. So now that the mattress is made, we are going to make the bedding. For the bedding, I am going to use this cardboard. I measured the cardboard of the same size of the mattress. If you're wondering, the size of this cardboard is somewhere around 20 centimeters, and the width of the cardboard is 9 centimeters. That was for the top and the bottom. For the sides, both of the sides length is 20 centimeters again, and the width is 3.7 centimeters. Now I'm going to use this paper with this wooden design to cover up the cardboard that we are going to use for the bedding. Okay guys, so I have finished making the bed and I have pasted this wooden paper on it. As you can see, it's the perfect size. Now we're going to move on to the walls of the doll room. So for the walls, I have cut out these big pieces of cardboard from a big box. So here I have 4 big pieces. One of them is for the back side of the doll room with width 34 centimeters and the length is 37.5 centimeters. As you can see, here it is. Guys, I'm sorry if I cannot show the whole cardboard. They're just too big to fit in the whole video. But I hope you can understand and get an idea of what it looks like. Next, we have the bottom cardboard piece with length 36 centimeters and breadth 34 centimeters. And last, we have both the sides which measure the same, with their length being 37.5 centimeters and their breadth or width being 36 centimeters. Starting off with the back side, I am going to cover the back side with these brick wall design papers that I printed out. They will look really cool on the walls, I think. So let's get on with covering the back side. Papers that Okay guys, so I have covered up the back side of the wall. As you can see, I left this space because that's where I'm going to put the bed, so it's going to cover anyways. I also covered the bottom of our doll room with this wooden paper. I think it's looking really cool. And as you can see, I left a little space because the bed is going to go there anyways. So now that we have the back side and the bottom covered, we can start working on both the sides. So both the sides measure the same as I told, and I'm going to cover both the sides using the same brick wall paper that I used for the back side. And after covering it up with the brick wall paper, I'm going to paste these beautiful pictures of nature as windows. And since we are not going to cut out real windows, we don't really have to cut it out, we can just paste it. So before I paste the brick wall papers, I'm going to make like the window real quick. I'm just going to draw a layout of the window on the cardboard pieces. So yeah, let's begin. So now that we have the cutout, I am going to make a layout of the cutout on the cardboard wall. Okay guys, so I have made the layout and both the windows of both the sides measure the same. The width is 13 centimeters or 5.2 inches and the length is 18 centimeter or 7.4 inches, as you can see. So now that I've made the layouts, I can start by covering the walls with brick wall paper except for the window layouts. So I have pasted the paper on the walls. Now it's time to paste the windows. Guys, so now that we have pasted the backgrounds for the windows, I'm going to paste strips of paper like this on the windows to make it look more like a window. So let's start with pasting the paper strips first. Now that we have pasted the paper strips for the window, I am going to paste these cardboard cutouts that I have on the side of the windows to cover up the paper and make it look more like a window. Okay guys, so now that we have pasted the windows, we can finally paste the walls together to make the doll room. So let's get on with that. Guys, so I have finished joining the parts of the doll room. As you can see here, I'm really sorry that I did not film much of the process of joining the parts because it's really difficult to film while you're joining such a big craft. So I hope you guys will understand. And as you can see, there are little bits of hot glue gun on the sides. I tried to cover it, but it still could not completely cover up. So I am going to use cardstock paper that I have right here in order to cover up the hot glue gun on the sides, and it will give it a better finished look. So yeah, let's cover up the sides with the cardstock paper. Okay guys, so now that we have finished pasting these papers on the side, we can finally glue in the bed. I made this little piece so we can place it down here, and then we can place our bed right here like this. So it looks like it has a little compartment inside. We just have to glue it like that. That we've pasted the bed, we can add the mattress that we made at the first from sponge. I also stitched a few pillows here. I stitched this pillow and I think I really like it, and it will go with the window. I also made this pillow. Along with it, I have some other pillows that we can add. I have added these 4 pillows and I think they look really good with the bed. Now we're going to make some more furniture. I decided it would look really good if I made a beautiful colorful rug to be here. So I made this little heart from paper quilling. All I did was made lots of paper rolls from paper quilling sets that you can get, and I glued them together to make a heart, and I'm going to place it like a small rug near the bed here, and I think it looks pretty good. As I told you guys, I was deciding to make a storage compartment inside here so we can store a few doll items there. I've glued this colorful flowery cloth to make it like a small mattress that goes with the pillow. We can place it down here. I added a few other accessories. I made more mattress using more fabric, and I added a doll magazine and a glass just in case the doll needs to read a magazine, she needs a mattress, or she needs to bring something, she can just get it from here. Awesome! Now I'm going to make a table for this side so the doll can do all her work on the table, because of course you need a table in a room. So the length of this table cutout that I have here is the same as the breadth of the side, and the breadth is 9 centimeters. So as you can see, I also pasted this wooden design on the front. Just like I did on the bed, it's a slightly different color though. This is one leg of the table. The side measures 12.5 centimeters. The breadth is the same size of the breadth of our table. It's 9 centimeters. So yeah, let's join the table. Centimeters. Okay guys, so the table is joined as you can see right here, and you might notice that I added a blanket to the bed because I think that this blanket really looks good on the bed and it matches the pillow. So now I'm going to add a chair. So first up, I thought I would add this chair, but I realized it's a little too small for the height of this table. So now I bought this chair, and it's a slightly higher chair but I still don't think it's the perfect fit. So I bought this red armchair and it's the perfect fit. As you can see, it has a really cool design here. So I'm thinking I'm going to keep this chair. I also bought this normal pink chair I had, and I think the red one looks the best. So after making a few of my dolls sit on the chair, I feel like the orange chair is going to be better. So yeah, I'm going to add the orange chair. Alright, so now we're going to add some things on the table. I am going to add this little plant that I made a while ago on the table, right on the side. I think it looks pretty good there. I added a flower vase and a die. I don't know why I added that, but it looks really cool. Next, I added the laptop and the tablet from our previous video. I also added that cup there. I think it looks really good. So it's time to add a few more accessories from our Okay guys, so I've decorated this table. I've kept a few items the dolls might need, like a notebook I made a long time ago, a water bottle, a Hatchimal toy, it looks really cool here, a cup, a few gadgets, snacks, and as you can see I upgraded the plants along with this little cute heart right here which says I love you. It looks really cool. So this room looks almost done, but it needs a little more finishing to complete it. So first we're going to make a side table that can be near the bed. So for making the side table, so I cut out a few pieces that we're going to use to make the side table. Here are 4 pieces and I decided to cover one of them from this floral design. You might see it on the pillow and on the blanket. I think it looks really cool in this room. And I thought it would look kind of like soft. And the dolls could use it like a small chair, like a stool to sit in whenever they're not using it as a side table. And I have covered the other 3 pieces in white. All of them measure the same, with their length being 6 centimeters and the breadth being 4.5 centimeters in white. Okay guys, so I have glued the side table. As you can see, I covered up the sides with paper. Now I'm going to fill it with stuff to make it look even better. Okay guys, so as you can see on the top, I kept a mug and this little mini flamingo thing I had and a phone, and inside I kept a book and a flower vase. I think it looks really good. So there's one more thing we're going to add in this house that will make it look more beautiful. So I printed out these pictures and these thoughts that we can paste on the doll room. It will make it look more pretty. I have this picture of some leaves here and I think it will look really beautiful above the bed. So yeah, let's get with pasting the pictures. So I have pasted all the thoughts and the picture. I know it's a lot, but I think it looks really cool. It makes it look even colorful now. I think it gives it a more fantastic look. I don't even know. So the house is now complete. I'm just going to add this dustbin that I made a very long time ago in one of my older videos. I'm going to add it at the corner, as you can see. And that completes our doll room. I think this is one of the best doll rooms I've ever made. It's going to be my favorite now. And let me know what you guys think about this doll room in the comments down below. So guys, before ending the video, I would like to give the shout outs to doll. Every single person that subscribed to my channel, and remember, if you'd like a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment down below with #subscriber number. So guys, I hope you liked this video and subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to comment what you think about this doll room. I really worked hard on it, and if you're going to recreate anything from this doll room. Also don't forget to comment what you think you like the most from this doll room. So guys, I will see you next time. Bye!